Hello Airxcel family, this is Rudy with Airxcel, and today we're going to show you how to replace the track on the vertical slider windows. Remember in which orientation you remove components, because it will be helpful when reassembling. The replacement track will have two separate grooves. The groove with the pre-cut holes are where the glass is placed, and the other groove is where the screen is placed. To start, from the inside of the closed window, you will pull out this track here. You will not be able to fully remove it, but you should be able to disconnect it from the seal of the window. There may be adhesive here that you have to cut. Once that is loose, go ahead and put it back in place to open up the window. Now, remove this sealer lining slightly to gain access to the rest of the track. There may still be adhesive holding that track firmly in place, but you can easily detach that adhesive with any cutting tool. Now to remove that track, hold that window latch open and give the track a tug until the entire track comes out. Once the track is removed, you'll be able to remove your screen and then your vent glass. To remove the track from the other side, you will do the same thing. Remove the sealer lining slightly to access the track. Remember, this track may also have some adhesive on it, so you might need to cut it to remove the track. Now that the old tracks are removed, we can move forward and replace them with the new tracks. When replacing the tracks, the side with the pre-cut holes will face away from you towards the outside of the window and up. Pop that track in place at the top and work your way down, putting the track in place under that sealer lining. Once that side of the track is in place, you will insert the new glass starting on the side that does not have the track first. Open the latch and place the window, and do the same with the other side, placing the window in the groove with the pre-cut holes. Now you can place the screen on the window and in its appropriate groove. It's now time to place the track on the other side of your window. Once again, with the pre-cut holes on the upward end and towards the exterior of the window, slide that track under the sealer lining and up. Once the track has reached the window latch, pull the latch open and slide it in the rest of the way, all the way to the stopper. Make sure the sealer lining is in place, and congratulations, you have completed your track replacement.